What if I told you that some of the most downloaded free softwares could actually slow down your PC, invade your privacy, or even put your personal data at risk? Just because it's free doesn't mean it's safe. In today's video, I'm revealing 10 free programs that you should never install on your PC in 2026. And more importantly, what you should use instead. Make sure you stay until the end because the last software on this list is still being downloaded by millions of people every month. Let's get started. You've probably seen ads claiming your PC has thousands of errors and can be fixed with just one click. Most of these PC cleaner apps don't actually improve performances. Instead, they bombard you with pop-ups, push paid grabs, and sometimes make unnecessary changes to your system. Better alternative: use Windows Storage Sense, disk cleanup, or uninstall programs you don't use. Driver updater tools promise to keep your PC running perfectly. In reality, many install incorrect drivers, bundle unwanted softwares, or constantly pressure you to buy a premium version. Windows Update already installs most drivers automatically, and if you need a specific one, download it directly from your PC or hardware manufacturer's website. Not every download manager is dangerous, but downloading one from untrusted website is asking for trouble. Some include adware, browser hijackers, or unwanted background voices. If you really need a download manager, choose one from reputable developer and always download it from the official website. These used to be everywhere and surprisingly they are still around. Many free toolbars and shopping extensions track your browsing activity, collect personal data, and can slow down your browser. Only install extensions you truly need and review their permissions before clicking add. If a program claims to unlock paid software for free, that's a huge red flag. Cracked software often comes bundled with malware, ransomware, password stealers, or crypto miners you're running silently in the background. The free version can end up costing far more than the original software. Not every antivirus is trustworthy. Some fake security programs create fake virus alerts just to scare users into buying a subscription. Stick with well-known security software or simply use Microsoft Defender, which is built into Windows and provides solid protection for most users. Years ago, registry cleaners were everywhere. Today's Windows doesn't need them. Cleaning the registry rarely improves performance and in some cases can even create system problems if important entries are removed. A VPN should protect your privacy, not sell it. Some free VPN services make money by collecting browsing data, showing ads, or limiting your connections until you upgrade. If privacy matters, choose a reputable VPN provider and always read its privacy policy before installing. Here's a big one. Adobe Flash Player officially reached end of life years ago. If any website still asks you to install Flash in 2026, leave immediately. Modern websites no longer require Flash. This is probably the biggest trap of all. You download one free program, but the installer quietly tries to add a browser, toolbar, antivirus, trial, or several other unwanted applications. Always choose custom installation when available. Read every screen carefully and uncheck anything you didn't ask for. Those extra programs are often the real reason the software was free in the first place. Free software isn't automatically bad, but downloading programs from unknown sources or trusting flashy advertisements can create serious security and privacy risk. If this video helped you avoid even one bad download, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments what's the worst software you have ever accidentally installed. Thanks for watching.